Very good morning, my dear children. Have a nice day. Hope you're all well and safe. This is our EVS class for grade 1. In today's class, we are going to revise lesson 11, our festivals, along with the classwork part. As children, we all know that we are celebrating different types of festivals. Tell me, what are festivals? Is celebration of important days with our family and friends are known as festivals. We eat special food, we wear new clothes, we clean and decorate our homes during festival time. There are different types of festivals: national festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals. National festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals. First, we are going to see about national festivals. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. Independence Day. So, Independence Day is one of the national festivals. We got freedom from the British rule on August 15, 1947. So, we celebrate that day as Independence Day. Our national flag is hoisted on this Independence Day. Next one is Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Similarly, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is also a national festival. This is Mahatma Gandhi ji. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd every year. Mahatma Gandhi ji was a great freedom fighter. Next one, harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated to thank God for good harvest. Holi. Holi is one of the harvest festivals. Holi is the festival of colors. People used to play with colors and enjoy a lot during this festival. Next one, Onam. Onam is also a harvest festival. It is celebrated in Kerala. Boat race is famous in Kerala during the Onam festival. You can see the boats here. Next one is Pongal. Yes, we celebrate Pongal. It is also a harvest festival. We prepare Pongal and offer it to God and cows. Next one, Lori. It is also a harvest festival. It is celebrated by the people of Punjab. Yes, they light the bonfire like this and they will sing and dance like this. Next one, religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated by the different religion people. First one, Diwali. Yes, Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. On Diwali, we wear new clothes. We decorate our houses with lights. We burn crackers. We also eat sweet. Gurupurab. Gurupurab, it is also a religious festival. It is celebrated by the Sikh people. It is celebrated on the birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus. People offer prayers at Gurudwaras. Next one, Eid, that is Ramzan. Muslims celebrate Ramzan. Muslims fast for 30 days in the month of Ramzan. They go to mosque to pray. They eat a special sweet named Sevain. Next one is Christmas. Christmas is also a religious festival. Birthday of Jesus Christ is celebrated as Christmas on 25th December every year. People go to church to pray. Santa Claus brings gifts for children. Yes, he is Santa Claus. We also celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, Raksha Bandhan. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on the birthday of Lord Ganesh. Raksha Bandhan, it is a festival of brother and sister bond. Shall we see the classwork part now? Yes. Our festivals. Lesson 11. Our festivals. Hard words. Special. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E. Celebrate. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Next one. Candles. C-A-N-D-L-E-S. Candles. Prayers. P-R-A-Y-E-R-S. Prayers. Church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. Worship. W-O-R-S-H-I-P. Worship. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Pongal. P-O-N-G-A-L. Pongal. Next one. Match the following. Muslim. Where Muslim go to pray? Yes, mosque. Christian. Christians go to church. Sikh. Sikh people go to Gurudwara. Onam. Onam is familiar with boat race. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is familiar with Rakhi. Yes. Muslim, mosque. Christian, church. Sikh, Gurudwara. Onam, boat race. Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi. Next one, answer the following. First question, what do you mean by festivals? Celebration of important days with our family and friends are known as festivals. What do you mean by festivals? Celebration of important days with our family and friends are known as festivals. Celebration. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-I-O-N. Celebration. Important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Days. D-A-Y-S. Days. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Festivals. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Festivals. What do you mean by festivals? Celebration of important days with our family and friends are known as festivals. Name any two national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day. National. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National. Independence. I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. Independence. Republic. R-E-P-U-B-L-I-C. Republic. Independence Day, Republic Day. Next question. Name any two religious festivals. Christmas, Diwali. Religious. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-S. Religious. Christmas. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Christmas, Diwali. Next question. Name the following. Festival of lights. Festival of colors. Which one is said to be festival of lights? Yes, Diwali. Festival of colors? Holi. Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. H-O-L-I. Holi. Festival of lights, Diwali. Festival of colors, Holi. Next question. Whose birthday is celebrated as Christmas? The birthday of Jesus Christ is celebrated as Christmas. 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 Birthday. 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 Jesus. 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 Christ. 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 Whose birthday is celebrated as Christmas? The birthday of Jesus Christ is celebrated as Christmas. As children, hope you understand today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.